Hey guys, how to reset Twitter or X password if you forgot it. So go ahead and open up your X account, right? Make sure to sign out, right, before you try to log in, and then hit login again, right? And under the phone, email, or username, you're gonna hit forgot password at the bottom left. Go ahead and press it, and they're gonna ask you, of course, for they're gonna ask you for your email. They're gonna ask you your email, or they're gonna require that you share your email, phone number, or username associated with your account so you can change your password. And they're gonna send a verification code to your phone number, or verification link to your email, and then you're gonna be able to recover or add the new password, and make sure to memorize it in the future so you can prevent any sort of hacking or losing your information. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.